All right, so we have a problem with our seal on the back window. This is a 2017 Tundra Crewmax. Has the rear sliding window, and as you can tell, the seal is pinched up in there. So from what I've read, this is somewhat of a common problem. So we're going to replace it. New seal. There's the part number. And I found this on eBay, and there's the seal. Oops, let me get my garage soda out of the way. So anyway, this is the corner that's pinched on the old one. And for a minute I thought maybe I'll just trim it off, you know, and just make it go away. But if you cut it, you're also cutting this inner seal that's attached to it. So that wouldn't have been good. All right, so looking at this seal, I believe it's just going to pull out, I hope. I don't know. Sounds easy. Okay. There's some goo, some kind of goo. Okay, well that doesn't go very far. Well, that's good. Awesome. This might be easier than I thought. So it goes down in about that far. Awesome. Well, I believe you could just do this without taking all that stuff out of the inside. I wanted to look in there anyway, so I'm gonna grab the new seal. And a flashlight. Let's keep this handy. I don't know if you can see this, but the wider part goes inside. Okay. Where to start? So this, make sure you can see this. See this right here? I think that just stops, and I think that goes on the inside. Yeah, kind of like that, I guess. Maybe it's a stop. just kind of going by feel here. I don't really know what I'm doing. We're figuring this out together. Let me move the camera. Let's see, because I got to get on that side. So basically, I'm just kind of stuffing it up in there. This would be a take your time kind of thing. So I've got to stuff this down in there. Well, I gotta say that was pretty easy. But the real test is let it roll up. Let's try it. All right, we have no pinches. Awesome. Nice. The old seal. All right, man, I'm going to go ahead and put the window down and just check a few things. And then I'm going to put this mess back together. So you do not have to take this apart. Again, I wanted to look in here just to make sure things are tight. I thought I felt a little bit of movement in that other window, or the other side of the window, driver's side. But maybe I didn't. And that's good. So everything appears to be tight. So awesome. 10 out of 10 would recommend if you have a pinched rear window seal. Simple job. All right, little bonus footage. This is the light I was using. I really like it. That's a Workos HD05. Very bright. Got a red mode, UV light, and even a little pull-out floodlight. Pretty cool. So for even more bonus footage, I'm kind of just going back over my work. That little, if you can see it, it's kind of hard to do. Yeah. No. Well, anyway, yeah. So right there in the bottom middle of your screen is that little tab thing I was showing you. It's on the inside. All right, we are completely back together. And let's test it one more time. All right, everything looks good. No pinches.